Little storyteller.
Lily loved raindrops. Not just the sound they made on her window, but the raindrops themselves. She had a special collection, each tiny drop held safe in a little glass bottle that shimmered with a soft, inner light. Lily gently picked up a small, pearly bottle. "This one," she whispered to her fluffy toy bunny, "Barnaby, is from the morning the bluebirds sang." Inside, the raindrop was small and delicate, like a tiny tear of joy. Outside Lily's window, the world was waking up. Sunlight peeked through green leaves, making them glow. A little ladybug with bright red spots crawled slowly up a dewy blade of grass. Next, Lily held up a bigger bottle, its glass swirling with colors like a stormy sky. "And this one," she said, her eyes wide, "is from the day the friendly thunder roared." The raindrop inside was round and plump, and if you listened closely, you could almost hear a tiny rumble. Outside, fat raindrops were bouncing on colorful flowers in the garden. A happy little snail with a swirly shell peeked out from under a large green leaf. Finally, Lily carefully picked up her most special bottle. It sparkled with all the colors of the rainbow. "This one," she breathed, "is from the sun shower that painted the sky." The raindrop inside shimmered with red, yellow, blue, and green. Outside, the sun was shining brightly, and tiny glistening drops were falling like sparkling jewels. A cheerful butterfly, with orange and black wings, fluttered past, leaving a trail of golden dust. Barnaby the fluffy bunny hopped closer and nudged the rainbow raindrop bottle with his nose. Lily smiled. "You like this one, don't you?" she asked. Suddenly, a little bird with bright yellow feathers tapped on the window with its beak. It chirped sadly. Lily opened the window, and the little bird hopped onto her hand. It looked thirsty. Lily looked at her precious raindrops. She knew she couldn't open the bottles. The magic might disappear. Then she had an idea. She carefully tilted the rainbow bottle, letting just one tiny sparkle of the rainbow raindrop fall onto her finger. The sparkle glowed, then turned into a single fresh drop of water. Lily gently offered her finger to the little bird. It happily sipped the water. The little bird chirped happily and flew to a nearby branch. Lily smiled. Her rainbow raindrop was still safe in its bottle, but now it had helped a friend. Barnaby nudged her hand, and Lily knew he was happy too. Sometimes, even a tiny bit of something special can make a big difference to someone else. It feels good to share.
Please subscribe. Thank you.